Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be bleaching a sweatshirt that I got on Amazon. I ordered a light blue sweatshirt to bleach, like the new trend that's going around. Oh, I really like the way it looks on the light blue, so we're gonna go for it. Okay, so I have everything. I have rubber bands, I have my extra large light blue sweatshirt, and then, oh, most important part, I also have my bleach bottle. It's a mixture like half bleach, half water, or something like that. I don't know, my sister made it when she did her sweatshirt. So now I'm just gonna get a couple rubber bands. I'm gonna wing it. I'm kind of scared because I don't want to mess it up. It's such a cute sweatshirt. I mean, it was like $10 on Amazon. Hopefully I'm doing this right. So I just put my hair up because I don't want my hair bleached. Ooh. So now we have a nice warm sweatshirt. I kind of forgot about this part, so I put on the rubber bands kind of at the wrong step, but you know, it still works. Just like wring that out. Okay, so now it's ready to put the bleach on. Okay, boom. Done! Now we're just gonna wait 10 minutes and come back. So this is obviously my first time bleaching anything. I don't know, like I used to tie-dye when I was younger and stuff. So I'm gonna try this out and then see the final product. I'll update you. So here's the update. It's just turning light, as you can see, where I sprayed the bleach. I'll get to sit for like another 5 minutes maybe. I love oversized sweatshirts. Now you just get scissors and you grab this. Just cut them. Ooh. You could use gloves, but I'm living on the edge. Taking a little bath. So this is what it's looking like so far. Now I'm gonna take it downstairs to the laundry room and wash it with cold water. Success! Woo! So these are the final results. I love it. It turned out just how I wanted it. Love it with the blue. Even like hot pink would be so cute. Or even like a light yellow. I'm gonna wear it to bed all the time.